Biotonians. Hi everybody, this is Dr. Vani with a very good news today with something super special and delightful. Can you see this? Class 6, Class 4, Class 5. Oh my god, this is so cute. Class 4, 7, 5, 6 and obviously 6 again. Vedantu, as always, as it's been doing in the category of NEET, as it's been doing in the category of JEE, Vedantu ne hamesha ki tarah. Just look at this. I'm going to the side so that each one of you can look at this. Hamesha ki tarah Vedantu has created history. I feel so proud and so happy. Chote bacche, the Junior Olympiads. 1 in 3 international top 1 ranks are from Vedantu. So this is something I want to tell all my Biotonians to get their nanne munne chunne munne बहन भाई जो शायद कभी-कभी तंग करते उनको पढ़ाने में लगा दो. मोबाइल फोन के साथ उनका टाइम वेस्ट मत कराओ. Tell them to study and they can make you and your family super proud. Just look at them. Right? So this is something which I wanted to share with you. Vedantu is like har मैदान फतेह, हर एक जगह छाया हुआ, doing so well. And this like warms my heart, guys. This is so amazing. So share the news that Vedantu ने एक और झंडा गाड़ दिया है. Junior Olympiad, Vedantu is doing very well. But most importantly, tell your younger brothers and sisters, your cousins, your society members that if छोटे बच्चे परेशान कर रहे हैं, summer vacations आ रही है, मोबाइल फोन पे लगे हुए पढ़ाई नहीं कर रहे, Junior Olympiad चैंपियन बनके तैयार हो जाएंगे, right? और तुम Biotonians अच्छे से पढ़ाई करो, वरना तुम्हारी पिटाई हो जाएगी. देखो छोटे बच्चे तो अच्छा पढ़ रहे हैं. Yes, take care. Bye. Bye, guys.